Basket the last one.
1 minute, 1 minute. Stop.
Darcy with the ball dribbling. Bounce
Late
pass to
kami, guys,
Lumo. Lumo goes up. Traveling violation.
15-16. Lamang ang G-spot. 46 seconds. First quarter.
Taganas with the ball. Valier. Extra pass to Pre. Fires. No. Bitin. Daroy gets it. And breaks the line. 30 seconds left. Dong dribbling. Here comes Salvation. Dong with the ball. To Lumo. We have a foul. Number 25. First personal foul.
Tugaw ni. Ito ni.
Second
Puan.
team foul.
Ha?
Basket the first one. Last throw. Basket again. "17 seconds left. Valier has the ball. Fake. Taganas drives. Napayungan. Daroy picks it up. Again. Here comes Garcia with the ball. Carpio, pinalipad ang bola. That's the end of the first. 18-17. 1 point lead ang G-Spot.
Tre, pabulo-bulo.
Rep. Rep, babulog-bulog. Ha? Tulog mo.
Ito yung isang kulang. Sino mo? Isa mo nga.
Shout out po kay number 25 Valenzuela. Sabi ni Sir Erwin Ponce. Gante. Ano niyo po si Gante? Ismael. Yes, Ismael sa Sanchez. Grabing lalong lumakas siya sa volleyball. Nung nag-transfer siya dun sa Umingon. Grabing batang yun. Lalong lumakas eh.
And we're now in the second quarter. Magbabalik na po tayo mga
Late
kaibigan.
kami, late.
18-17. Isa lamang ang kalamangan ng G-Spot.
Shout out kay Zeus. Oy, 30. Zeus, si 30 oh. Shout out daw. Shout out daw sa inyong tatlo.
Nice nuts ang bola ni
Dito na yung tropa mong tatlo,
Pinasa
30.
Dilmindo to Daroy. Goes up. Nugget. We have a foul.
Ito oh, yung tatlo oh.
Number 8.
Kaway daw kayo, 7:30. Kaway.
First personal foul.
Ay, pamangkin niyo
First
po.
team foul.
Ang galing po. Lalong lumakas.
Valier. Pull up. Wala pa rin.
Kagagaling lang din niya basketball eh.
To Salazar.
Kanina.
Here comes Salvation. Salazar with the ball bounce pass. Salinas fires. No. Can't connect. Daroy to the rebound. Here comes G-Spot. Daroy with the ball.
Uy.
He got fouled by number 11. First personal foul. Second team foul. Valier to Valenzuela. Kick out in the corner. Taganas for 3 points. Salazar puts it up. No good. The follow up too high. Atan to the inside now. Valenzuela gets the ball. Here comes G-Spot again. Valenzuela with the ball. Pass to Daroy. Daroy drives. Basket count.
alcohol.
Foul and 1.
Alcohol.
Foul number 11 again. Second personal foul. Third team foul.
Bakit? Shout out to sa inyo. Mamaya, banda si 30.
For the bonus shot. No good. Gets it back. Same ball. Valley to Valenzuela. 7 to shoot. Daroy fires. Misses. Atan to the rebound. Salazar has the ball. Pull up. No good. Salinas. One handler. It's good.
Sus! Tabi! Huy!
Valenzuela. Pull up. Can't connect. Garcia to the rebound. Here comes Boss. Atan. Bounce pass. Salazar. Back to Atan. Back to Salazar. Gets the 2. Daroy drives. Gets the 2. Salazar has the ball dribbling. Here comes Salvation. Timo fires. Misses. Here comes Valier with the ball. One handler. Misses. Del window gets it back. Too short. Gets it back again. And gets it in. Salazar has the ball. Bounce pass. Intercepted. Valier has the ball. Valier. Timo with the ball. Binababa ang bola. Stolen. Delmindo has the ball. Taganas goes up. Can't connect.
Score.
Nag-awan.
21-27
Salinas.
lamang po ang G-Spot. 21-27 lamang po ang G-Spot.
To Timo. Pero nahabol ni Taganas ang bola. Back to Delmindo. Drives. Plays it in. Timeout. The Salvation Army. 29-21. Abante pa rin ang G-Spot.
Second, adding second. 21-29 lamang ang G-Spot. Second quarter, 6 minutes and 7. Late kami. Gumawa pa kami ng assignment.
Back to the ball game. Salinas has the ball. Gumigiba. Pinipilit. He get fouled. Number 11. First personal foul. First team foul. Must get the first one. Flores to the rebound. Taganas has the ball. 10 seconds in the shot clock. Daroy pinipilit. No good. Salazar to the rebound. To Reniedo. Bosatan with the ball. Drives, fires, no. Can't connect.
Second
Gets it
quarter
back.
ding second. 5 minutes and 26.
Salazar, pull up. No, misses.
Ba.
Again. Wala pa
Pa.
rin.
Ay.
Flores gets the ball. Here comes Daroy. Pinipilit. Ayaw pumasok. Bosatan with the ball. Pinasa sa kalaban. Taganas with the ball. Drives. Gets the two.
Grabe si Daroy mag-ano. (22:31).
Valenzuela to the rebound. To Taganas. Goes up. Goes in. Again. Back-to-back score. For Taganas. Daroy with the ball. He drives.
Uy.
Basket down. Foul and one. Foul number 8. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Hindi na ilagay sa ano.
Complete the three-point play.
Para
Here
pala hindi
comes
masyadong ano.
salvation. Don't with the ball dribbling. To Carpio. Then to shoot in the shot clock. Fires away. Can't connect. Daroy. Taganas. All the way. No misses. Dong to the rebound. And he got fouled by number 16. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Dong with the ball.
Sunod na maglaro.
Here comes salvation. Puts it up. No good. Garcia gets it back. Bumubomba sa ilalim. Garcia pinipilit. Napayungan. Delmindo to Taganas. Lazy Rain gets the two. Goes up. No. Garcia gets it back and gets it in.
Zelda, Puerto Quantos. Ayos to.
Daroy has the ball. He get fouled. (17)
24:38. Pinagla-live din ako sa Ildefonso Yung mga
First
player
personal
nating
foul.
mga bata. Parang Elim ata may entry sila. Yung mga ano doon.
Wala.
Dong goes up. Misses. Out of bounds. G-Spad basketball. Here comes G-Spot. Flores. Two minutes and 25. Del Mindo in the inside. Can't gets it back. Still naked. And we have a foul. Number 34. Penalty. Timeout. G-Spot. to 24. Abante pa rin ang G-Spot. Magbabalik na po tayo mga kaibigan. 40 to 34 to 24. Abante ang G-Spot. Basket. Last throw misses. Dong with the ball. Dong dribbling. To Garcia. Pass to Carpio. Then to shoot in the shot clock.
24,
Intercept
41.
again. Flores not the
2 minutes.
out of bounds.
Second quarter.
Salvation ball.
Nakasalubong kami ng bitinda ng Penoy.
Tacanas with the ball all the way. Valier has the ball. The follow-up connect. Dong with the ball.
Lata mo katlog.
Pull up Jay. Misses. Garcia in the inside. Gets the two.
Umadumi kami.
Taganao sells the ball. Here comes G-Spot again. To Del Mindo. Pinalipad ang bola. Dagerde.
Ay,
Flores gets it back. Back to
hindi pa na
Tacanas.
nakatutok yung...
Gets it up. Misses. Garcia to the rebound. Pass to Dong. Salinas. Pinasa sa kalaban.
Sayang.
Daroy gets the two.
Tudom.
Garcia gets the two in the inside.
Naging 15. Ha? 15? Ha?
Tacanas with the ball. Drives. No.
Tatlo
That's
25.
in the second quarter.
Tapos na.
47 to 28. Abante pa rin ang G-Spot.
Game ka. 28-47.
Meron na lang.
Ito na yun. Nabalatan mo. Binalo mo na yung sa asin. Wow. Dito yung asin. Masalubong sana natin ulit yung nagtitinda ng itlog bukas.
Kung ganong oras. Dadating.
Umuhalo yung ano. Dito yung asin mo.